Hey guys, Andrew Bennett here, giving you a quick lesson on how to clean out and remove the sewage line from our newest camper that has a bathroom in it. So check it out. So we already will have the camper hose hooked up to the sewage on the camper, the sewage line hooked up to the sewage on the camper, and then we have it in the clean out here at your campground. So before pulling that up, what you want to do is lift the hose at the end and kind of keep lifting it and make sure anything that's in the line goes down into the sewage. And then while you have it up, this is not dirty, so I'm not wearing gloves, but you might want to use gloves. Once you have it up, you can take your, and it's hard for me to do this while holding the camera, but once you have it up there, you'll take your hose and just rinse it through. Run some fresh water through it, and then, a bunch of fresh water, and then lift it up again, getting the rest of the water down out of there. Also, sometimes what I'll do is before doing anything, I'll go inside and flush the toilet a couple times just with fresh water running through, just to make sure there's no solid waste in there. But once you have all of that rinsed out and washed through and you feel good about it, at that time you just pull it out of the sewage drain. And then if there's a cap, you put your cap back on. And there you go. You could also, at that point, rinse off the outside of the hose if there's, dirt and mud or whatever on it. And then we'll fold that back up and put it back into the storage compartment on the porch of the camper. Hope that was easy enough for you guys. Thanks. Camp happy.